Welcome back to Good Morning San Diego. Oh, yes, see those beautiful flowers? Oh, it is almost springtime, and I have Luke here from Armstrong Garden Centers, and we're talking about you guys are celebrating 130 years.
Yes, we are.
So you're having a big party on Saturday where people can come, but we're also talking about planting.
We are talking about planting as well.
Yeah.
So container gardening is a huge staple to any garden, whether you have a small space or a large space. You can pack a container full, and it'll really wow your guests.
Okay, so you grab some new soil here.
I've
That's
got a little
important.
going here. Yeah, you want to get fresh soil. Each year you want to add a little extra soil, fertilizer, really replenish things. Now, so we've got, there's some staples to the container. You got your thriller, your filler, and your spiller. Vertical, mounding, and spilling over the edge.
Got it.
So yeah, and so you just go from one end to the other, tuck things in. Go ahead and stick that one in the end there.
Stick that one in there?
Yeah, you just kind of work it down in there. Yeah, there you go. Turn it around, turn it around. There you go.
Get them spilling out there. Okay, push it down,
right? Exactly, exactly. So this Saturday, if you have any questions about container gardening, come on in. We've got 20% off your whole purchase all day, starting at 8 a.m., and we can help you get one of these together. We also we've got pre-made containers for sale, like this guy here. We've got everything you need, really.
Well, we were talking about, hey, it's the good time of year. You can plant anytime in San Diego.
Exactly.
But given that March will be kicking off here on Sunday,
right,
now is the time, if you're thinking about planting, that is a good time to plant.
Now's the time. It's not too late. Come on in. We'll get you started.
Okay, very good. All kinds of options here, you guys, and that's what it's about too, is finding out what might be the best for in your garden and what's going to grow the best.
Exactly. You know, California's got 100 different little microclimates everywhere you go, and we can help you figure that out.
Okay, so there you go.
Yeah.
I like this. Thriller,
filler,
spiller. Okay, that's the key, you guys. There you have it. All right, we're going to have more Good Morning San Diego coming back after this.